This medication works like your body's natural glucagon, which helps raise blood sugar by releasing stored sugar in the liver. It's used to treat severe low blood sugar that may require assistance from others. Make sure your family member or caregiver knows where to find this medication and how to use it. Glucagon may also be used before certain X-ray procedures to slow down stomach and intestine movement for a clearer X-ray. When you receive this medication, make sure to read the patient information leaflet and instructions for use provided by your pharmacist. Keep the medication handy in case it is needed, and if you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Caregivers should be aware of the symptoms of low blood sugar and how to administer glucagon if needed. It's important to treat low blood sugar right away to prevent serious effects such as brain damage. Before using the medication, check it visually for particles or discoloration. If either is present, do not use the liquid. Learn how to store and discard medical supplies safely. Inject the medication into a muscle or under the skin as directed by the doctor. The dosage is based on age, and for children, it is also based on their weight. After giving the medication, seek medical help right away. If the person is unconscious, turn them on their side to prevent choking in case they vomit. If they do not wake up after 15 minutes, another dose may be given, if available. When the person wakes up and is able to swallow, give them a quick sugar source such as glucose tablets or juice. Keep the blood sugar level up by eating snacks such as crackers, cheese, a meat sandwich, or milk. Always call your doctor right away after an episode of very low blood sugar. You may need more medical treatment, or your insulin dose and diet may need to be adjusted. Some common side effects of using Glucagen Hypokit 1 mg injection glucagon may include nausea, vomiting, or headache, as well as irritation, redness, or swelling at the injection site. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects, but it's still important to discuss any concerns with your doctor. If you experience any serious side effects, such as a fast or pounding heartbeat, it's crucial to contact your doctor immediately. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help right away. This is not an exhaustive list of potential side effects, so it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not mentioned. In the US, you can seek medical advice about side effects by contacting your doctor or reporting them to the FDA. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada. Before using glucagon, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you have a history of certain medical conditions. These conditions may include problems with your pancreas, adrenal glands, or if you have a habit of not eating enough or poor eating habits. Low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, is more likely if you don't eat enough or if you do heavy exercise. Symptoms of low blood sugar include sweating, shaking, fast heartbeat, hunger, blurred vision, dizziness, or tingling in your hands and feet. It's a good idea to carry glucose tablets or gel with you to treat low blood sugar. If you don't have these, you can quickly raise your blood sugar by eating a source of sugar like candy, honey, or drinking fruit juice. Make sure to tell your doctor about any reactions you have to this medication. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, be sure to talk to your doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. This is why it's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's also important to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If you suspect someone has overdosed on Glucagen Hypokit and they are experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. If the symptoms are less severe, you can also contact a poison control center for guidance. In the US, you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. It's important not to share Glucagen Hypokit 1 mg injection Glucagon with others. If you have diabetes, consider attending a diabetes education program to learn more about managing your condition with medications, diet, exercise, and regular medical exams. It's also important to learn the symptoms of high and low blood sugar, and how to treat low blood sugar. Make sure to check your blood sugar regularly as directed. In rare cases, the use of glucagon may cause high blood pressure, which can lead to stroke. If you have a tumor in the adrenal gland called pheochromocytoma, your doctor may have to give you medication to treat it before you use glucagon. The medication Glucagen Hypokit 1 mg injection Glucagon may have different storage requirements depending on the brand. Make sure to refer to the product package or ask your pharmacist for specific instructions on how to store it. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of medications by flushing them down the toilet or pouring them into a drain unless directed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.